Quality education is a goal shared by a community of equally dedicated, committed, and responsible people, having different roles in building an effective and efficient learning institution. School-based management offers a way to promote improvement to school constituents, administrators, teachers, parents, and other community members. As we enter the school year 2020-2021, we are faced with the challenges of coping with the demands of the new normal. Lower Tamugan Elementary School stands committed in carrying out its mission of providing first-rate education to its learners. This is Miss Rachel. Join me as we take a look back and witness the Lower Tamugan Elementary School SBM journey. Lower Tamugan Elementary School of General Ross District, Division of Davao City, was first established in 1937 when Domingo Ansuay, Isabela Cagang, and Ulidan Macarandan donated an 20,000 square meters of land area situated at Barangay Tamugan, Marilog District, Davao City. Until a certain Teresita Temporado in January 29, 1979, executed a deed of exchange with a portion of her land consisting of 20,000 square meters, which was used as a new school site. Until such time, the Lower Tamugan Elementary School is titled in the name of the city government of Davao. This school report card is a summary of the school status of the last school year 2019-2020. It shows the performance indicators of the school. For the school year 2020-2021, the school has 947 officially enrolled learners with 29 competent and active teachers, administrative officer, and a school head, Brimbot S. Iyas, head teacher 3.
To our School Division Superintendent Rinaldo M. Gillina, CSU 5, Assistant School Division Superintendent Dr. Jinky Perman, and Dr. Marilyn B. Diduyo, the Division SBM Coordinator Dr. Maria Los M. Tan, and to our Public School District Supervisor Pilayo A. Wapanyo Jr., good day to all of us. Bill Fresh said, every child should have the opportunity to receive a quality education. This perception reflects the aim of Lower Tamugan Elementary School. Quality learning requires safe, friendly environment, qualified, and motivated teachers. It also requires that the learning outcomes be monitored and feedback to each instruction, even in this globally challenging situation. The school-based management is a paradigm shift in education governance, from being school-centered to becoming access, a child, and a community-centered education system. The highlights the child or the learner as the center of its implementation. SBM principles are operationalized by empowered stakeholders, participatory management, and school managed by the school and the community. Through the best practices, the schools strive to continuously improve the effectiveness and efficiency and providing quality education.
Lower Tamugan Elementary School is proud to present to you its school-based management in pursuant to Republic Act No. 9155, known as Government of Education Act of 2001. To strengthen the government of education, school empowering school teams, and expanding community participation. SBM Committee is headed by our school principal, Brimbot S. Iyas, and school SBM coordinator, Venus A. Ordinaza, with the active support of the SBM principal, chairpersons, and members. Rosita L. Carampil, Master Teacher 1 for Leadership and Governance. Maria Teresa T. Binhay, Master Teacher 1 for Curriculum and Instruction. Aida S. Nardo, Teacher 3 for Accountability and Continuous Improvement. Ginabel W. Amora, Master Teacher 1 for Management of Resources. As the saying goes, we need to cultivate the plants in order to grow, like how we develop and care for our learners in Lower Tamugan Elementary School. The school and the community shows best practices to ensure the quality education. The teachers of Lower Tamugan Elementary School works with a dedication in shaping and molding the learners academically, physically, socially, and spiritually. Through the leadership of hardworking school head, together with assistance of the master teachers, faculty and staff, PTA officer, and SSG officers, Access is continuously carrying out optimum education to the community. Close systematic monitoring with the SIP, organizational structure and updated reports with undying commitment and participation of teachers, pupils, parents, and other stakeholders. Access effectiveness of management and leadership. In order to review its efficiency, the school conducts PTA General Assembly to present the programs and plans crafted by the stakeholders to get feedbacks, constructive comments, and suggestions for improvement. Information is further disseminated to the different classrooms through homeroom meetings or focus group discussions. These are derived from the vision, mission, and core values of the Department of Education to achieve the goals and aims of the department. To provide technical assistance to the teachers, the school also conducts LAC sessions and focus group discussions on different programs, topics, and issues that needs to be learned and addressed. The school is committed to protect the rights of every child by creating a healthy and conducive learning environment that do allow them to maximize their potentials by sharing quality teaching service, providing continuous improvement programs. Based on the PhilErie result of the learners from school year 2019-2020, among the 401 takers in PhilErie English post-test, only 4 or 0.10% were non-readers. 75 or 18.70% were frustration readers. 68 or 16.96% were instructional readers, and 45 or 11.22% were independent readers. On the other hand, among the 401 takers of PhilErie Filipino post-test, only 2 or 0.50% were non-readers. 80 or 19.95% frustration readers. 106 or 26.43% instructional readers, and 69 or 17.21% were independent readers. These positive results were achieved through the implementation and utilization of the different reading intervention programs in the school, which were conducted by the teachers for the improvement of the reading level of their learners. Moreover, efficient instructional lesson delivery is achieved through the utilization of curriculum and teachers' guides, which are contextualized through crafting lesson plans, daily lesson logs, instructional learning plan to make lessons more understandable and relatable to the learners. In building strong structure, each element should work efficiently and connect properly. Just like in a school setup, each member or stakeholder should work on individual roles, responsibilities, accountabilities, and work as an important team member. As evidence of the school's dedication and commitment to provide quality education among our learners, numerous recognitions and citations were awarded to the school. Lower Tamugan Elementary School is a top-performing school that usually dominates the top rank when it comes to academic and non-academic contests in the district level and fares well in the division level of competition. These things were all made possible through the undying coaching and mentoring of our seasoned trainers and coaches. In order to show transparency on the allocations, resources, and funds given to this school, a systematic resource inventory is utilized and communicated well to the stakeholders during PTA General Assembly and board meetings. The school is supported by various entities that form part of our external stakeholder and community linkages. outpour of donations and funded activities dominates the perimeter of Lower Tamugan Elementary School as these partners shared good deeds to our learners. The generosity and kindness extended to our learners forever lives on. Lower Tamugan Elementary School will always be empowered to put its best efforts in implementing the SBM practices for the improvement of school and holistic well-being of our school children. The school has facilities that allow learners to enhance their capabilities and provide a conducive environment for learning. Parents played a crucial and equally important role as facilitator of learning for the new normal setup of education. Parents' orientation on the health protocol set by the government was conducted. This will equip them with the knowledge on how to protect their families from the harm of COVID-19. Considering the context that parents will now serve as courier of knowledge and information between the school, the teacher, the community, and the learner, it is just and proper to give them the full awareness of what COVID-19 is all about. The school has also mounted health stations for incoming stakeholders. Classrooms were structured compliant to health protocols. Our health becomes the topmost priority. To ensure that every learner is a reader, Lower Tamugan Elementary School has intensified the full implementation of its reading program, despite the downside brought about by the pandemic. Teachers conducted an online and offline scheme to track the reading abilities of every learner. Through home visitation and online reading assessment, the pupils' reading capacity and ability has been identified. For learners who lag behind, they will be subjected to the intervention program. The data will show the impact of the program upon the learners. Learning must continue. Distance learning posed a great challenge upon the academe. A helpless child needs a hopeful teacher. Lower Tamugan Elementary School was able to produce 29 episodes of radio-based instruction and few TVBIs. This is a compilation of MELC-based content across learning areas. These materials form part of our locally produced LMs and serve as supplementary materials. To boost learners' academic participation, Lower Tamugan Elementary School teachers supports pupils' submission of pupils' output through varied platforms. Pupils' engagement on key concepts reflected on the SLMs can be documented through videos and pictures submitted online. Actual performance helps teachers assess the level of learning that the pupils have. Promoting the culture of peer teaching and learning, this practice develops the desire of struggling learners to remotely acquire the concept expected of them. We will be working with one goal and one mission to address the needs of every learner. Lower Tamugan Elementary School will continue to innovate, collaborate, and evolve as an empowered institution.